This is Mishna, and Henry's going to show you guys how to do some soccer tricks, if he even can. There's only one way to find out. So, there you go. No hands allowed. Okay, quickly come hold the camera. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, we're going to play some one touch, like I tried doing in my first video. There goes Henry. You only touch the ball once. It must touch. Yeah. Okay. Let me just put it over. I'm not sure if you guys can see. If you can't see, then it's like that. Okay, Henry wins. Okay. Oh.
That would have been
The winner. I'm going to show you some of that soccer trick. No, I didn't upload the first video. Yeah. Sorry guys. Anyhow. I'm scared I'm going to kick the camera. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Oh yeah, touched. Ooh. I'm the winner. So yeah guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe. Oh, anyhow, like and subscribe.
stand by.
I want to see those views. I want to see those views coming up. Yeah. Bye. If I can find the stop button, yeah, bye.